Today we're taking a deep look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, a smartphone designed to bring premium performance into the mid-range world. Samsung has upgraded almost every aspect of this device, starting with its sleek modern design and a vibrant AMOLED display that delivers rich colors and sharp details. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the A57 5G maintains smooth performance with its efficient processor and optimized software. The camera system also brings impressive improvements, capturing detailed photos with better dynamic range and enhanced low-light clarity. Battery life is another strong point, giving you all-day usage with fast charging that keeps you powered up quickly. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G delivers a flagship-like experience at a very competitive price. If you enjoy daily tech reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more premium content.